What's up, everybody? Today we are gonna make some pizza. I need a pizza. Give me the pizza. I need the pizza. Somebody give me the pizza or I can't make pizza. What do you think? I need the pizza. Oh, there it is. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Chef Supreme. We need the pizza. Then, so now we need some sauce. Next we need some cheese. And then our final ingredient, that pepperoni. I'm terrible at singing. So let's get into making that pizza. Next we need a big spoon for like the sauce. And then we dump it. And we just go all the way around. And that looks good. Well, next I didn't put enough sauce, so I need to put more sauce. And even more sauce because I'm goofy like that. I'm a Supreme, so like more hot sauce. Need all the bits and now I just like, yeah, I don't need that spoon anymore. It's garbage. It's a fat spoon. Now, I think we're ready to put some cheese on this pizza. Next, we need to put some cheese all over it, like sprinkle that cheese. Now we should be good to go. Next, we need to put down some pepperoni. That's just gonna make the pizza look even better. Now we need to preheat the oven. We go pop, 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 and we should be good now.
Then they lived happily ever after. Such a good book this is. It's so good. I hate living in a house with kids. Stop. Johnny, stop. Johnny, stop. Johnny, just stop it right now. We're also... I hate Domino's so much sometimes. Like, I need to go to a mental hospital soon, Daddy.
Okay, so next we need to put our delightful Lunchable, pizza, in the oven. And then we should be good and just wait. And then that's gonna bake until we can't no more. So I can eat it for lunch. And nobody else can eat it because I'm Chef Supreme. I can do what I want.
Is it done yet?
No.
It should be done by now.
No, it's not.
What do you know? You aren't the chef. So how long will it actually take?
Kind of ink. I bet you'll say 50 more days because that's what you kept on saying with all the retakes. And by then, the pepperoni and our pizza will be so burnt I can't see any of the colors. It'll be like Skittles without colors. M&M's with only chocolate.
You know you're so Chef Supreme. You're not a Chef Gucci.
Oh, that's it. Okay, it's done now. She should probably go stop playing. Yeah, she should probably stop playing right now. Yeah, she probably just like cut it now. Please.
I didn't take it out of the oven for you guys, so I didn't show like any of that because remember last time? Yeah, I don't want that to happen again. So yeah, that's the pizza. Like that's pretty much the video. So yeah, see you next time on Chef Supreme.